A very good morning to each and everyone. How are you all doing? Good? All are fine? Okay, fine. So my dear students, in the previous grammar session, we have started with worksheet number 10, singular and plural, right? Right. Do you remember? Are you able to recollect? Okay, so let me cross check once. Sarah, unmute. Sarah, please unmute and tell me, which letter did we add? Sarah, unmute. Which letter did we add to the word to make the plural? Which letter did we add to each word to make its plural form?
F.
Very good. And where did we add it? In the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, or at the end of the word? Where did we add it?
And.
Very good. We added the letter S at the end of each word to make its plural form. And that day, I had told you that there are some other rules as well, which are used to make the plural form of specific words. Okay. Now, today we are going to understand the second rule of forming the plural forms of specific words. Okay. Now, today we are going to learn that we can add ES. We can add ES. Which two letters? E and S. That also at the end of each word and make their plural forms. But there is something very special about these words. We can add ES only to certain words. We cannot add ES to all the words and make their plural forms. That is not allowed. Okay. The letters E and S are very special. So there is a very special rule also for them, for their usage. Okay. Are you ready to understand what is it? Let me share the screen. There is no need for you to write anything now. I will be just writing it on the board so that you can read it and you will be able to register it in your mind as well. Okay. So no need to write anything now. When I tell you to start writing, at that time only you have to take the workbook and start writing. Now I want everybody to look at the board and listen attentively. Okay. Today we are going to learn about adding, A-D-D-I-N-G, adding E-S. What are we going to add today? E-S to make plural forms. P-L-U-R-A-L. Plural. Adding ES. What are we going to add today to make the plural forms of specific nouns or words? We are going to add ES to certain words and try to make their plural forms. Now, as I said, there is something very special about these words, and only these particular words can be made into their plural forms by adding es. Let us try to understand that fact. Yes, okay. Now, X, okay, I'll write it in cursive. X, C, H, S, S, H, or O. Now, the very special thing about adding es and making plural is that the words that we use must end with the letter X, the letters C and H, the letter S, the letters S and H, or the letter O. X, ch, s, sh, o. These must be the sounds of the ending sounds of these words. Only then we can add es and make their plural forms. Okay. We can add es and make the plural forms only for words that end with x, ch, s, sh, or o. Clear? Only for words ending with these sounds or letters we can add es and make the plural forms. Okay. Now, I will take a very simple example. Glass, G-L-A-S-S, glass. Example. What is the last letter, Elroy? Elroy, tell me. What is the last letter of the word glass?
S.
S. So, what must we add to this word to make its plural form?
Yes.
Very good. So, tell me, add it and tell me what will be the new word, the plural form.
Glasses.
Spelling?
Glasses.
Very good. Glasses. Glasses. Okay. Did you understand the rule for usage of es to make plurals?
Yes.
Is it clear to you? Yes.
Yes.
We can add es at the end of words which end with xa, cha, sa, sha, or o sounds. Okay. Yes. Okay, very good. Thank you, Elroy. Good effort. Okay, now I will take another example. Dish. D-I-S-H. Ishan, unmute.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is it? Which are the two last letters?
Yes.
No. D-I-S-H. In this word, which are the last two letters?
Es.
No, my dear, listen to me. I asked in the spelling of the word dish, D-I-S-H, which are the two letters at the end? In the spelling of the word dish, D-I-S-H. So S-H. So S-H are the last two letters, right?
Yes.
And can we use ES for SH words? SH
No.
at the end? Yes, yes, we can. Okay. So what will be this plural? Tell me.
Es.
Tell me the complete spelling, Ishan.
Dishes.
Very good. Please read the word for me. Yes. SH.
Shes.
Very good. How will you read that word? How will you read that word?
Yes.
Oh, read the complete word, my dear. Read the complete word. Dishes.
Dishes.
Okay. Do you know the meaning of the word dish?
No.
No. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. Do you like biryani? Do you like biryani? Ishan, do you like biryani? Say yes or no. Ishan, do you like biryani? Say yes or no. Oh, I think. No. Yes. I think he's facing some network issues. Ah, unmute, unmute. Yes, unmute, Ishan. Yes, yes, say. You like
No.
biryani? No? Okay, then what is your favorite dish? Did you heard the word? Did you hear the word dish?
Rice.
Yes. Rice. Your favorite dish is rice? Okay.
Yes.
Now, did you understand the meaning of the word dish?
Yes.
Each item can be called a dish. Okay. If
Okay,
you have,
ma'am.
if you like dosa and chutney, that can also be called a dish. If you like idli and sambar, that can also be called a dish. You said you like rice and sambar, right? That is also
Yes.
a dish. Okay, got it?
Yes.
Okay, fine. And another word, we can use dishes for the vessels that we use, dish, plates. Those are also called as dishes. Okay, the plural for the word dish is dishes. Okay, is it
Dishes.
clear? Dishes, yes, very good. Is it clear to you all now?
Yes.
Yes, clear? The usage
Yes.
of, okay. Now let me share the screen once again. And while the screen is getting loaded, I request everybody to be on page number 33. Page number 33. Keep your pencil and eraser with you because we will be writing the answers now itself. Are you all ready? Okay. Able CB unmute. Able CB unmute. Okay. Now, Able CB unmute. Touch it one time, the speaker symbol one time only. If you touch it many times, it will be muted again. Able CB unmute. Unmute, unmute Able. Yeah, okay, don't touch it again. Now, in this second exercise, we are going to add ES to some nouns which end with X, CH, S, SH, or O to change them into plural. Okay. Here, what are we going to add to the end, at the end of the word? Abel, what are we going to add?
Yes.
ES, very good. So tell me the first, this one we have already done. One glass, 1, 2, 3 glasses. Okay, we have done it. The first word is bus. Tell me the plural form, Abel. Bus.
Bus.
Plural. B-U-S, bus. Tell me its plural form. The last letter in bus is S. What is the plural form? What do we have to add at the end? ES, right, Abel?
Yes.
So add ES to the word and tell me the spelling. The word is B-U-S. May I add ES here? Say ES. So what will be the word? B-U-S-E-S. What will be the word? Read it. Buses. Buses. Now read the spelling, Abel. B-U-S.
B-U-S.
What did we add at the end of the word? What did we add? E-S.
E-S.
E-S, yes. So the plural word became B-U-S-E-S. B-U-S-E-S. Okay. Okay, thank you, Abel. Krishang, unmute. Try the next word. Dish. We have already done it. Dish. The last two letters are S and H. Sh sound. So what should I add?
Yes.
Yes. What will be the spelling then?
D-I-S-H-E-S.
Fantastic. D-I-S-H-E-S. Read that word, my dear.
Dishes.
Dishes. Very good. Very good. Thank you so much. Sai, unmute. Okay, my dear. Sai, unmute. Try the next one. Number
Yes,
3.
ma'am.
Number 3.
Number 3.
F-O-X.
F-O-X. Fox.
Okay. Plural.
Foxes.
Very good. Spelling.
F-O. Yes.
Very good. F-O-X-E-S. Foxes. Thank you, Sai. Sia, unmute. Sia, unmute.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Sia, unmute. Okay. Try the fourth one. Number 4. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. How will we make the plural? C-H is there at the end. Say fast. What do we have to add at the end of the word? Sia, tell me. What do we have to add at the end of the word? Should we add S or ES? W-A-T-C-H. What? Should I add S or ES? ES, right, Sia?
Yes.
Okay, then what will be the word? W-A-T-C-H-E-S. Can you read it for me? Unmute. Read it for me, Sia. Watch, watches. Unmute, Sia. Are you not able to hear me? I think she's facing some network issues. Unmute, Sia. Unmute. Watch. The plural will be watches. 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 Okay. Watches. Okay. Thank you. Sankalp, unmute. Try the fifth one. Bench. Number 5. Bench.
Benches.
Very good. Spelling.
B-E-N-C-H-E-S.
Very good. B-E-N-C-H-E-S. Benches. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Sankalp. Esther, unmute. Try the sixth one. G-L-A-S-S.
Glass.
Glass. Plural.
E-S.
Oh, come tell me the complete spelling, please.
G-L-A-S-S-E-S.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, Esther. Elvin Mario, unmute. Try the seventh one. First, read the word. I will not read it. Elvin, unmute. Unmute, Elvin. Yeah, read the seventh one. Read the word with the correct pronunciation. P-O-T-A-T-O.
Potato.
No. Is that the way we learned?
Potato.
Potatoes.
Potato.
Potato. Okay, very good.
Potato.
Okay. What should I add to
Potato.
make the plural?
ES.
Very good. Tell me the spelling.
POTATOES.
Very good.
Potatoes.
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 Potatoes. Potatoes. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Ryan Salish, unmute. Try number 8. Match. M-A-T-C-H. Match. Unmute, Ryan. Touch it one time. Unmute again. Unmute, my dear. Yeah, okay. Don't touch it again. Number 8. Match.
Matches.
Spelling?
M-A-T.
Hmm. Yes.
C-H-E-S.
Very good. M-A-T-C-H-E-S. Matches. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Fardeen, okay, welcome. Fardeen, unmute. Try number 9. Fardeen, unmute. Try number 9. Touch it one time. The speaker symbol, one time. Ah, yes. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church.
Church.
Church. Plural.
Church.
What? Church. Church. Okay. Churches. Yes. C-H.
C-H.
U-R.
R-C-H-C-S.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Jeffrey on unmute. Try number 10. Number 10. Unmute first. Dress. D-R-E-S-S. Touch one time the speaker symbol, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jeffrey on. Unmute. I think you're facing some network issue. That is why you're not able to unmute. Okay. Dress. Number 10. Dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress.
Dress. Dresses.
Very good. Spelling.
D-R-E-S-S.
S-S-E-S. Okay. D-R-E-S-S-E-S. Thank you. Avish Boban, unmute. Avish Boban, unmute. Unmute, Avish. Yeah. Try number 11. B-O-X.
B-O-X.
Very good. How will you read that word?
Boxes.
Boxes. Very good. Thank you. Naomika, unmute. Try number 12. B-U-S-H. B-U-S-H. Bush.
Bush.
What will be the plural form?
Bush.
What do we add at the end of this word to make the plural? SH is there at the end. Tell me, Naomika. ES, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If we add ES, how will be the spelling? B-U. No, B-U. S-H. E-S. E-S. B-U-S-H-E-S. Bushes. Bushes. Okay, very good. Thank you. Rukma, unmute. Try number 13. Number 13.
brush.
Yes. What is the word? B-R-U-S-H.
Brush.
Brush. Very good. Now tell me the plural.
BRUSHES.
Very good. Brushes. Very good. Fantastic. Thank you, my dear. B-R-U-S-H-E-S. Brushes. Alna, Arun, unmute. Try number 14.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Alna, unmute. Try number 14.
Caucasus.
Very good. Spelling.
CLASSES.
Fantastic. Thank you, my dear.
Thank you,
Devarsh. Okay. Devarsh, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Devarsh, try number 15. Tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato. Tomato. Yeah. Plural.
Tomatoes.
Spelling.
TOMATOES.
Fantastic. Thank you, my dear. Well
Thank
done.
you, ma'am.
Shankar, unmute. Try number 16. Touch it one time. The speaker symbol. One time. Again. Again, Shankar. Try one more time. Can you hear me, Shankar? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So try number 16. TAX. Elvin, where are you? Come back to your place. TAX. Tax. What would be the plural?
Taxes.
Very good. Spelling.
TAXES.
Fantastic. TAX. Tax. TAXES. Taxes. Lakshana, unmute. Thank you, Shankar. Try number 17.
Yes. Fish.
Yes. Plural.
Fishes.
Spelling.
FISHES.
Very good. Very good. Thank you. Abel, unmute once again. Try number 18. 18. Abel CB, unmute. Abel CB, can you hear me? Yes. Try number 18. Read the word and then tell me its plural.
Mango.
Very good. How will you make the plural?
MANGOES.
Fantastic. Read the word. Mangoes. Very good. Well done. Well done, my dear. Okay. Okay. You're welcome. Elroy, unmute. Try number 19. 19.
B.
Very good. Plural. Plural. BEACHES. Very good. BEACHES. Fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Welcome. Krishang, unmute. Try number 20. 20. CIRCUS. Circus. Very good. Plural. Yes. CIR. S. CUSES. Circuses. Circuses. Have you ever been to a circus, Krishang?
No.
No? Okay, fine. Nowadays, they come very rarely, right? Because we need to take care of the animals, right? It is not allowed to keep them in closed cages and all, and that is the reason. Okay, but you can watch on TV, circus. Okay, my dear. Okay, Sai, unmute. Thank you, Krisha. Okay,
Yes,
now we come
ma'am.
to B. Here we have to decide. We have to look at the word and decide whether we should add S or we should add ES to make them plural. Okay, so you have to think and answer. First one, bush. B-U-S-H. We have already done it. What should I add at the end of this word? See, it is S-H. So SH, what do we add at the end of SH?
ES. ES.
ES, very good. So the word will be B-U-S-H-E-S, bushes. Bushes. Okay, very good. Thank you, Sai.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. Esther, unmute. Try number 2. Esther, unmute. Try number 2. T-O-O-L. The last letter is L. So what was we add? Tool. The last letter is L. So should we add S or ES to it? For L, can we add ES? Yes, very good. T-O-O-L-S. If the last letter of the word is L, we cannot add ES to make plural. That is not the right thing to do, okay? Thank you. Esther, Ryan, unmute. Try number 2. Number 3. Try number 3. Unmute. Yes, yes, yes. Don't touch again. Number 3. Try number 3 in part B. T-O-M-A-T-O. O is the last letter. O. So what should I add? S or ES?
Yes.
ES. So tell me what will be the word? Fast.
P. O. Those.
T-O-M-A-T-O-E-S. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, my dear. Rukma, unmute. Try number 4. P-O-T. T is the last letter. P-O-T. T is the last letter. Yes? P-O-T. T is the last letter. What should I add? S or ES? T is the last letter.
ES.
T. ES? To T, are we allowed to add ES?
T.
S. Yes. Okay, okay. You said TS. P-O-T-S. You must say the complete spelling, my dear. Thank you. Shiza, unmute. Try number 5. T-R-E-E. The last letter is E.
Tree.
Tree. So what will be the plural? Should I add S or ES?
ES.
ES. T-R-E-E-S. Only S we have to add. Because if the last letter is E, we are not allowed to add ES to make plural. Okay? T-R-E-E-S. Only S we have to add. Okay. Sankalp, unmute. Try the 6th one, number 6. F-O-X.
Fox.
Plural.
ES.
F-O-X-E-S. Say the complete spelling, my dear students. F-O-X-E-S.
Fox. ES.
Foxes. Okay, thank you. Alna, unmute. Try number 7. Unmute. G-U-E-S-S. Guess. G-U-E-S-S. Guess. Yes, Alna? Guess. Alna, unmute again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, say. The last letter is S. So should I add S or ES?
Yes.
Very good. Guesses. 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 Okay, thank you. And the last question goes to Elroy once again. Unmute. SOFA. Sofa. Number 8. SOFA.
Sofa.
Plural.
So.
SOFA.
S-O-F-A-S.
S, yes, SOFAS, so fast. Because the last letter is
So
A.
fast.
So fast, yes. Okay, my dear, time is up for today's session. Let me wind up the session. I will send the
Thank you,
notes
ma'am.
to you, then you will be able to complete it, all right? I believe the rules are clear to you, right? Now? Okay, thank you very much. See you in the next class. Bye-bye. Bye.